In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to disassemble an Xbox 360 controller. Okay, now right here you have 6 screws that need to be removed. These screws are Torx screws, so you're going to need a Torx head screwdriver to remove this. If you have a Torx head screwdriver, or if you have one with bits such as like this, you're going to need a T8, that's the size, to remove these screws. Now there's a magnetic tip on this bit, so that's convenient. This way you could just pull the screw out after it loosens it. These two are too narrow for this screwdriver to fit. Now, the best thing to do is to get a Torx screwdriver that has a narrow head so it can fit through. Now, if you don't have one, what you also can do is you can slightly widen this hole by using a drill, but you have to be very careful because if you go too deep, you can damage the bit inside. So what you have to do is you have to measure the depth of the area that you need. So if the bit is being stopped around this area when the head of the bit goes in, like so, you have to figure out that you're going to need a small enough area just to widen for the bit to reach. And then you can mark the bit with a marker to the thickness of where the drill bit has to go. And this way you know not to go too far down because you can damage the drill bit. And when you drill, don't press too hard. Just gently put the drill bit inside the hole and drill. And then let it go slowly and just make sure you don't go too deep. And then basically, once you have the area that you have to drill, then just remove the bit and then you can widen it enough. Make sure the drill bit is the thickness is slightly wider than the thickness of the Torx bit itself. So this way the Torx bit can fit. Okay, so I'm going to continue to take out the screws right now. Okay, now there's a screw under here. You have to take this label off. Okay. Okay, now just lift it up. This comes out right here. And this is plugged in. Just hold down the circuit board as you do that. Okay, you can just lift this right out, like so. The buttons come out. You have two Phillips head screws right here. You're going to need a precision Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws. Just push this in gently. And there you go. So there you go. That is how to disassemble an Xbox 360 controller. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.